Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are at Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad Art and Craft Exhibition, which is organized by government. This event is happening from 5th February to 14th February 2021 in Bangalore, Kumar Kripa Road. If you are a person who love the craft, art, Indian traditional paintings and the beautiful clothes, jewelry, this is the must place to visit. Let's explore it now. I have given a couple of the stalls contact details also if you wanted to purchase jewelry or clothes or these paintings. I have given their contact details if you wanted to purchase. Check it out and stay tuned till the end so that you will get more updates. This stall, if you see, there are a lot of Tanjore paintings representing the Tamil Nadu traditional painting, and the range is starting is around 1000 rupees to 2.5 lakh. Tanjore paintings are available here. You can see this Ashtalakshmi, from the small frame paintings to the bigger frames available. You can see here the beautiful Lakshmi, the Saraswati, and in one frame they have painted 4 to 5 Ashtalakshmis, the Venkateshwara Swami, and you can see here this beautiful Lakshmi in different forms, Shiva, Parvati, Ganesha. You can see this beautiful painting with the Shiva and Parvati. The Narasimha Swami, and you can see the Krishna. Each and every piece is so unique, and detailed painting was done. You can see another Ashtalakshmi and Annapurna Devi, Krishna. This is absolutely a must place to visit this stall. I will give you all the contact details if somebody wanted to purchase in the description box. Also, while showing the video, also a couple of the stall details I will give you. I can't cover all the stalls in one video, so this is the part one. Few of the stalls I'm just covering right now. This stall near the entrance itself, so if somebody personally coming, you can check it out here. Then the next stall is about rugs and carpets. These are all handmade cotton carpets and rugs. There are variety of handmade collections. You can see different color patterns, light to dark color shades. These are all starting from the range of 1000 to 10 to 20,000. It's available. This is another beautiful stall, which is a handcrafted name board planks available here, which are all starting from the range of 2000. They you can keep your name or whichever the language you want. They will print and give you with the polished wooden plank. If you are looking for the unique nameplate boards, this is the one beautiful place to check it out. And the next stall is Kalankari print handbags, pouches, big bags, kurtis, and even they have the kids dresses also available here. These are all handmade and beautiful color combinations they have. You can see this lotus flowers handbag. You can see variety of colors and combination of designs. All these things are from the range of 200 to around 1000 1500. It's available here. The next stall is the Rajasthani traditional craft wall decors. You can see nowadays the metal wall frames have become a big trend. You can see these beautiful small umbrellas and the Rajasthani side tables, wall frames. They also have lamps, elephant designs, and the center tables. They have a lot of hand painted lampshades, flower vases, and elephants, horse, and also the Rajasthani typical traditional wall mirror frames. The men and women are doll idols. Looks very traditional, and nowadays the metal frames and wall decors have become so big trend. So these are all starting from the range of somewhere around 500 to 3000, 4000. Different varieties are available here. You can check it out here. They have this beautiful watch with the bike Ganesha, and you can see this bike metal material with the watch. It's looking so beautiful. And the Lord Buddha and these big mirrors and lotus flowers, which are all made up with metal, which gives the traditional touch to your home. This is the cotton traditional handmade bed sheets. They have variety of designs for kids, and even for the a lot of flowers, other designs are available here. The material is very nice. It's a pure cotton. They have some malmal cottons are also available. I'm just showing you a couple of designs here. These are all starting from the range of around 700, 800 to they have up to 2000, 3000 range also. You can see the different designs of curtains also available here. And if somebody wanted to check out their collection, I have given their contact details here. You can check it out. This is a beautiful metal bike with the watch available, and this is their art and craft contact details. And there's another stall which they have a beautiful collection of kurtis. The normal kurtis are starting from the range of cotton ones or around 700 to 1000 rupees, and if you wanted a dupatta with a plazo or anything, the starting range is here from 1000 rupees to 2000, 2500. It is available, but the collection is very nice. This stall is with the beautiful cotton curtains. They have a huge collection of Chanderi, Malmal cotton, and jute cotton curtains available here. These are all the happening trend traditional curtains nowadays. I really like the material and the quality of the product, and this is the one must stall to visit because they have such a huge collections with the great quality, and the price is somewhere around starting from 700 to 1500 they have. But you can see the beautiful hand printed patchwork, the traditional Madhubani painting and tribal art painting, different varieties of paintings, collection of flowers, different things are available here. You can check out. He has displayed couple of things. You can see, the whites and the golden creamish colors. These are all the transparent curtains, and these are all the pure cotton curtains. You can see with the Indian traditional look they have. This is the contact number if somebody wanted to buy their curtains. I will also give the details in the description box. You can see this transparent Chanderi cotton curtain with the elephant design and the umbrella. Very beautiful. This is the another Worli art hand painted curtain. This is also another beautiful peacock hand painted curtain. This is the patchwork design curtain. These are the beautiful flower print ones, hand painted ones. These are block printed curtains. The combinations are very beautiful, you can check it out. And these are the couple of cotton bed sheets and dohri collections they have. Such a beautiful color combinations they have with elephants, flowers, everything. These bed sheets and dohris Rajasthani styles are starting, the range price will be 1000 to 2500 they have. These are all again handmade and hand painted ones. These are all the traditional block print and hand painted one dohris or quilts, which are all pure cotton material, starting from the range of 1500 to 3000, 3500 also they have. The next stall is the beautiful plant decorative stall. You can see beautiful small cute animals which you can display, and different varieties of butterflies and small cute items where you can display inside the plants, and holders, planters, different varieties are available here. They have the shop also. If you are in Bangalore, they have the shop in Indiranagar. So these are the plant hangers. They also have these beautiful cow faces painted with the acrylic paints, which are so beautiful, starting from the range of 1500 to 3000, 4000. You can see this, such a beautiful painting they have done. These are the plant hangers. They have mirrors, pichwani work, art hangers, butterflies, small potteries. Also these beautiful traditional hand painted mirrors, pichwai artwork, wall hangers. The beautiful Krishna pichwai paintings. And these are the cow head painted with the beautiful acrylic colors. Very nice, and I've given their contact details here. If somebody wanted to go personally, their branch is in Indiranagar. If you are in Bangalore, you can go and visit, or you can contact them through Facebook also. These are the hand painted jewelry here. Also in Mysore we have this Channapatna dolls, right? This is the stall, completely the cute Channapatna idols are displayed, which are so cute and beautiful. This stall is completely the Rajasthani style decor. They have these beautiful chairs, side tables and stands, wall dividers, and this is another beautiful blouses and wool crafted shirts, and they have t-shirts. This is another pottery stall. The collection is too good, and their price ranging is from 2000 to 6000 it is available. Also these beautiful jute handbags they have displayed, which are amazing products. And the next stall is completely with the mud pots and wall hanging chimes, magical lamps, even the to keep the water and flowers, the pots are available. The collection is beautiful. This is the ceramic stall. They have a huge variety of collections. They have a set of dinner sets, plates or bowls or pickle jars, cups. Different variety of collections are there. You can have a look. This stall is the beautiful Chettinadu style brass material, traditional olden, the vessels. You will get anything and everything here. This is the traditional typical Chettinadu style brass items are available here, starting from the range of 1000 to they have material in terms of in the lakhs also. You can see different varieties of vessels are available: idli patre, jewelry boxes, lunch boxes, tiffin boxes, big kadai vessels, everything is available. If anyone is an antique lover, this is the must place to have a visit. They have different lamps, chandeliers, the diyas, lunch boxes, jewelry boxes, vegetable storage boxes are also available. Different varieties of pots. You can see this is the spice box, which is so cute and unique piece. They have different varieties of jewelry boxes, chest of drawers, mirrors, mirror frames. This collection is so antique, so unique pieces available here. These are the small pillars are available here, and this is the hanger. You can see it's a traditional one, and wall hangers. This is one piece I really liked it. This is a spice box. You can see how differently it is showing the spices, how you can store inside. If the traditional Chettinadu style wood chairs, side tables, and their glasses, vessels, everything is displayed here. This is the box where you can keep your vegetables so that the flies won't come inside. These are the big storage boxes. They have different varieties of idols, wood planks, wall mirrors. Here are the few more jute bags. The storage units starting ranges around 850 rupees. So these are the couple of collections I covered. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll come up with the second part soon.